Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make a friendship in Hilokal language exchange app. So we need to go Hilokal app. So you can see it's my Hilokal app, and once you enter there, then you will see the home page of Hilokal. So if you are new, then how you can increase your friends. So it's you are seeing that it's the a table. So if you want to make a friendship, then you have to follow someone and that person need to follow you back, then you will be a that person will be your friend. For example, I'm just going to follow someone, okay, like randomly click. So you can see it's the person. Once I click follow, then I follow the person. So this when this person follow me back, then we become a friend. So it's really easy. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.